Did you show up here today, Rick, trying to tell me that Hendrix is not up there? I just am getting that vibe right now.
No, I'm not. But I don't want to say greatest. You can say, well, there are people that inspired Jimi Hendrix, Charlie Christian, older guitar players. Charlie Christian and Django Reinhardt were the first two really big, and Andre Segovia were three of the giants of the 20th century as far as guitar influences for most of the players that were to follow.
So here, going to Perplexity, Django Reinhardt was, of course, a jazz guitarist and composer, active mainly in France, and is widely regarded as one of the greatest guitarists in jazz history.
So Django was, well, there's a huge movement right now, gypsy jazz movement, as they call it, that is kind of built around the style of music that he played back in the early 20th century. One of the things about Django is that he was in a fire, and he had two of his third and fourth finger, so his ring finger and pinky were essentially melted together. He had no use of them, although he could use them while he was chording. But a lot of these incredibly fast lines, he's just playing with two fingers. And it's amazing.
That what is that? So that's gypsy jazz.
That's gypsy jazz, yeah. Him, Stefan Grappelli, was a violinist that played with him a lot.
How much of this is improvisation?
Everything he's doing there is improvised.
Feels so free.
Yeah.
And fun, like swing.